Hello friends, in this video we will see how to draw hyperbola by a third method, and name of this method is to draw hyperbola through a point when given lines are inclined to each other. And let us take example of this method. Two straight lines OA and OB are inclined to each other at an angle of 70 degree. A point P is 35 mm from OA and 45 mm from OB. Draw a hyperbola through point P with OA and OB as asymptotes. First of all, draw line OA and OB. First draw line OA. So this is point O and this is point A. Now angle is given between line OA and OB as 70 degree. So take an angle of 70 degree from point O by this protractor. And take an angle of 70 degree. And draw a line OB from this point. And this angle is 70 degree, and give name to this point as point B. Now distance is given as point P is 35 mm from OA and 45 mm from OB. So point P is 35 mm from OA. So take distance 35 mm to this line, that is on line OB. So this is 35 mm distance, and 45 mm from point OB, that is 45 mm from line OB. So take parallel to this OA line from this point and take its distance as 45 mm. So from this point I will take distance 45 mm, that is this point, and give its name as point P. Give name to this point as point C and extend CP line up to point D. So this is point D. Now draw a line from point P parallel to OB line. And give its name as EF. Now next procedure is same as second method. Divide this PD line into equal number of parts. So if we will take 3 part, this is point 1, this is point 2 and this is point 3. You can take at any distance. Distance is not equal. Then draw these 1, 2, 3 points to point O. Now this one O line touches EF line at this point, give its name as point 1 dash. Similarly, this is point 2 dash and this point is 3 dash. I have taken 3 points. If you want, you can take 4 or 5 points also. Now draw parallel lines or horizontal lines from point 1 dash, 2 dash and 3 dash, and draw parallel line to EF from point 1, 2 and 3. So first I will draw horizontal lines, take parallel to this CD line and draw from point 1 dash, then from point 2 dash and from point 3 dash. Then take parallel line to EF and draw it from point 1, 2 and 3. So from point 1, which will touch line from 1 dash at this point. Similarly, draw line from point 2 and from point 3. Now give name to this. This is point P, so this is point P1, this is point P2 and this is point P3. You can rough this extended line. Now this portion we have completed. Now remaining portion is this. So divide this PF line into 3 parts. So point 1 to 3 we have covered. So you can take point 4, point 5 and point 6. If here we have taken 3 points, then in this side you also take 3 points. If you take 4 points on line CD, then take 4 points on line EF also. Now join these 4, 5 and 6 points to point O. Now this 4 to O line touches CD line at this point. So give its name as point 4 dash. Similarly, 5O line touches CD line at this point, give its name as 5 dash and this point as point 6 dash. Now draw horizontal lines from point 4, 5 and 6. So draw lines from point 4, from point 5 and point 6. Now draw a line parallel to this EF line from point 4 dash, 5 dash and 6 dash. Then from point 5 dash and from point 6 dash. So we have got 3 points. This point, give its name as point P4. This point as point P5 and this point as point P6. Now join all these points by a smooth curve with the help of French curve, which is the required hyperbola. So join all these points. First of all, join point P to P1, then join point P1 to P2, and then join point P2 to P3. Similarly, join point P to P4, then join point P4 to P5, and then P5 to P6. So this is the required hyperbola. Draw it dark because which is the required answer.